Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you that how you can use sum function in Google Sheet. Sum function is the most basic function for beginners to know that how it works. Then you can apply for several for simple mathematics purposes. Then now you see that I already write that sum function returns the sum of values supplied. These values can be numbers. This value can be numbers, cell references, ranges, arrays, and constants in any combination. Some can handle up to 255 individual arguments. How syntax is equal to sum, type sum, then first parenthesis, then number 1, number 2, or you can also select the range, then close with the parenthesis. Few notes are that sum automatically ignores the empty cells. So that means if you select any range and there any empty cell exists, then empty cell will not be counted in the result. If argument contains error, sum will be return an error. That means same if in the ranges if you see any error exist, then sum will return with error, and some can handle up to 255 total 55 total arguments. So already I write here that there is a few item A, B, C, D, E, F. There are 6 item and the quantity respectively and the cost respectively. So if you want to know the total quantity, then you can apply the sum function. Simply type equal sign, then type sum, then first parenthesis, then you have to select the range. I'm selecting the range C 19 to here is stop C 24. I'm again closing with parenthesis single. Okay, enter. So total 47 quantity. Okay, then I'm finding the total cost in same way, equal sign sum, first parenthesis, close with parenthesis, enter. So it was the application of sum function. In next video I will come with another basic function, then one by one we will go into the depth function and formula. Thank you for watching the video.